Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show how we can make soft basin and watershed from SWAT, which is an extension of ArcGIS. For that we have to install the SWAT, which I have explained in my another video. You can check it. After that we will go here, right click, and this Arc SWAT. After clicking this is the tool of Arc SWAT. Okay. Then after we must have the DEM file. This is the DEM file of one watershed. Then after edit, then first go here, new SWAT project. Okay, let's make one folder. Give okay. Then after go here. This is the path. Okay. The project is done. Okay. Then after go here, watershed delineator. From here we have to add the DEM file. Okay, from local text. Then after click here, choose the after this flow direction and accumulation. Okay, this is fine. And then after wait one here, then we have to change this area. Okay, for now keep it as it is. This is 1500, about 1600 hectare. Then after go here, stream network. Okay, from here you can see it will give us different outlet. Okay, these are the point, these are the monitoring point, these are the monitoring point. Okay, there are two watersheds. You can see here, this is one and this one in another. There are another options also. For example, edit manually. If you want to delete any point here, then go here. Okay, and then select any point from here. It is fine. Let's delete any one point. Okay, let's delete it. After this, right click, stop editing. There is also option of add. Go here, add, and you can go. You can keep here. Then after right click, stop editing. Yes. Then another point is added here. In similar way, we can add the point and you can delete as we require. After this, we have to give the whole watershed outlet. For now we can only give one outlet. Let's try to prepare the soft basin of this watershed only. Go here. Okay, Let's select this outlet. After this, delineate watershed. Okay, so we have got here the soft basin. Here is the area. If we will increase the area, then the soft basin number will decrease, means this outlet number will be decreased, and if we will keep the lower air area, then there will be more outlet and more soft basin. So it is fine now. Now let's exit. Now we have here watershed form. This is the watershed. Let's delete. Okay, this is the watershed. This is the basin. Basin means the whole watershed, and it represent, this is the basin and this is the sub basin. Okay, these are the reaches, river network, and from here we can go and data, we can export the data, we can take the data of the sub basin and similarly for the basin. In this way we can easily prepare, we can develop watershed, sub basin and river network. Thank you.